An experienced and well-functioning team that is always willing to go the extra mile. That's what it takes to build a car like the Audi Q4 e-tron. More space, more freedom, more technology. The interior feels premium and generously spacious. Four individual light signatures to choose from on request. The Audi Q4 e-tron is the only series model offering such a feature. With the optional augmented reality head-up display, we are offering a glimpse into the future already today. On the balance sheet, the Q4 e-tron will be produced CO2 neutral and offers a range of upholstery with recycled materials. With the e-tron charging service, you will be driving carefree, anytime, anywhere, thanks to more than 200,000 charging points in Europe. The Q4 e-tron shows today how the future of mobility looks like, and it fits perfectly in our e-tron lineup.